Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add coupon code on Temu app. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Temu app. Make sure you have already downloaded it. Once you open up it, it will land up you to this interface. Now tap on profile icon, and here you can see coupons and offers. Tap on it. And now here on this box you can enter your coupon code and then tap on apply button. So in this way you can apply for coupon code, and if you have already used your coupon then you can see that on used section. So tap on it and here it will show you the list of used coupon. So this is how you can add coupon code on Temu. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.